match commissioner choko so atase enti se bibi tia kombo chro na de ese de twekoro kwaso bia de atwe but se obi wo difference bi wo ne obi ntemu a e one na asem anye de ho kodoko ne nyina so obi so obi bu obi a
untimi nyina o ma na mu mpa chew
striker sami obi a me kan kire me so obi abon e ho
ba ye tete
striker sa asem a wo tete de e de na me kopa chew
so one to say Chelsea player be collapse here
o collapse wo ho na bo no striker ade enye de na enye so atase se player na ba bon tia be ka kire say Twum na me bo no so atase amankona say amankona kesi so say najawu mo si brekum wabodi after the match mo voice na mombo obia no otimi busa amankona say de ntina najawu ni kwaso o si brekum obia musa no ere na ye correct time match obe ka kire say ye te say ebu obi mi ko brekum ta de bia brekum boys omo nyina me na fo me yemi nuanom ebi ba pack am na omdo mu ruam na omo ye fine enti player bi unu obi o issue a na ye sawoka obia ni wa oni brekum Chelsea supporters and as a team o problem bia enti ye ko as a football enim say security be adwuma ye be sere supporters na hunu obi anko ba bia obia ko ada no bia so make sure so obekwa am yakota team na chi no ese ye ko because striker ye ko no as for ko brekum no yantete sane ma we nyina bia o yante wa bi se brekum Chelsea ni has boy ebuwen eduru Kotoko so a be ko pass media ba be show eti striker me gina video so aka check ro supporters na say so obi no obi o problem omo solve mo problem omo fan fra Kotoko nyina dia bu no man collapse no obetimi aba be kirekirim oye case oye ma wan but me je me ti o player bia no say o so ne na jawo die mo si brekum edi entira edi asem no obo Kotoko no ne na jawo problem asa na ofri Kotoko akwa ana say die ne siye eti de me kan se bibi wo ho a omo mra monte beka mo fan fra nta Kotoko team ni nyina ye ko bo match na me aduma Saturday yenim se bo na ayeko no enye Kotoko nko ana ayeko ye ko supporters obrekum be ko your supporters o mo obrekum wo Kotoko supporters obrekum eti ye ko ne ya ne obrekum ni doma ni sunwan nyina akoka bo mabo ye ko so a obi a make sure so be comport no ye mfa ntokwa na bo ho yo police or security personnel so ye bo wo ba yara obenya bia na be national security enya oba ba yara ba bia ekobi e se provide bi ma team bia oba eti ye de ko strike abdaye nsuro bibia ye nsuro so obi be kan asem fom ana so obi de ehunu be man unu obi wa asem a masa no akọchiro anu asem akọ report no bi bu anu report na emra ne nadi ba mma se akọ return match na manfo asom ana Kotoko ba brekum ba ha ya bu obi amana collapse etimo obi mba da bi enchechire mu mra strike na ehunu but na be se Kotoko supporters ni nyina nkro so bi akwada no bi anyame adma Saturday mo obi ama asem ehunu na ni nyina nkota team na chi na ye make sure ko sama force se chire se ye di kan bo na ikonya 1 point bi a amanfo akoye sa yo ni biem
okay
say ya yo no omkoye obrekum no because she be born e ka kire say striker ye ko has ni fence and brekum Chelsea be born say amanfo ba bon ti say bibi o park no so enti too much na asheda striker after say mu wie ni nyina no bi ko hwa de kure e o park no so ene ma bi course o Ghana League me duru ba bi a aya amuso mo muaye bi
say ngo hedi o mo ye no park no so
om ka kire so mo fix ni ma bi o park ni ma bi asese cancel na eye eti die na course obrekum
dina ba se ye ko ele
na strike ya bobo na wi o ye ko hwese bi a gate bi na abu mu ye no se po bi na abu ana se we na ai sei eti ne too much ne said that ye die enim se da bibi course o strike me kasa from day one se bo na ye to said that no omo hwe results ni nyina ansa na o makwa akobo watch as striker eti ye hu ne ma bi o third goal ni first goal ye hu yo has ni brekum Chelsea third goal ni first goal ye hu yo striker
ana ye dey
striker mu nyima man for hwe
first goal
brekum Chelsea ni has first goal ni third goal ye hu ye
was who say ye dey
say player pa bet me a clear ball na o down said ye hey goalkeeper bet me a chi ball no
on say wo dey asem ko show bi ba wo tia say amanfo se Kotoko wow so say amanfo se Kotoko to matches ana anya sa na wo kan
o say yes etimi ka bi ana dey nka bi ana
on say na wo
maka bi atu aso no strike dey nka
bi ya na Abass so be respond
o na try Abass dem suro no
ne jadam
Abass mi suro no eti match on ko ball striker wani je on match has ko ball ni brekum wani je on
Abass akwaba.
Bibia. Match has ko ball no brekum striker wani je ho. Wani je ho. Wani o match.
Gomba usimi mu amano.
Unya asem aka. Unya asem aka.
Ba so so madidi kama.
What I say, you know me and ba. Aduane e ofo mu.
Ma meti Abass kakra. Me ba so biem twum. Abass akwaba. Ye nko kakra bi na afi solo emra.
Ye twum so meda na se na anwumre opie mu adi brekum nsem ebetu yanim. Brekum nko e de na ka brekum asem. Twa ne kobra nsa.
Video ho start and border room.
Enti yen ye ko brekum ye fi wa na okoduwe wudi uko na anuanom. Na nturu brekum no.
What nyum no.
Okoduwe wudi uko na anuanom. Enti okoduwe ri ego. Ye nuanom uko ho de so mrepe. Omo ka se goduru mo mo sum duru omo. Ebi akono boko. Sasa le biabo. Ebi biabo mo ka se. Amasum tu ko.
Asante Kotoko.
O masum nuwa na je se ye baba ko.
Dabi ekwan na mo kwa so ko.
Ye baba ko.
Ye be fa sa sen ni mo akọ.
Enti wo de di baba na ko. Amasum nto. Na ko bra na be ka bi. Ye ha so folk. Ye shey ye nyaade ye ko she brekum a esi brekum se ye ko she say suspect. Enti enye dai. Omo ntie de ye nye na omo nto ho mo. Ye nyaade obi a hye yen. Ye so ko she brekum a esa ya asam foforo. Enti omo be se de ne nke enye. Yakobo aba ya hye. Minu ya na ko. Die aba ye de bo ba no. Ye de bo tachi da bi. Na de bo tachi ye de bo ba da bi.
Brekum format yo. Mum fa sa aba na ha se ba na.
Ba die
fu na ye fa ko bo mu bi.
Omo mani si wa.
3-1 aba mo fa ma ye.
Omo ba do je Kotoko jiji omo omo kama no.
Aba na has the ball brekum 3-1 no.
Ye hu se Kotoko fo
Brekum ko sa aba na ama ne so mo 3-1 ni bi.
Mo bi e
aba na ka wa.
Omo masa anzi enye kama sa.
Aba na mo de ma ha fa mo 3-1
enye no 1-1.
Wakata mangazo.
Ni nyume ba so no ye.
Wakata mangazo.
Aba do twam ma ko twam ko sa.
Wakata mangazo.
Tumu de nya bote me ba.
Madika ka cho se numa ye wie numa no moto numa ye kre kwa we hu nam.
Enyu be.
Enyu oduwe wudi oko na unu anum. Koduwe uko na unu anum. Asbo ye blekum fo numa moto aro. Emu mo di ye chia me meto nam kra ma obi we nam no.
Brekum de enam a wo form ye mienu o.
O me we
stadium na chi wona.
Mo na free ya blekum fo.
Stadium na chi wona.
Omo na free ya.
Omo wo pork base bi.
Blekum fo na free no.
Omo wo pork base.
Endo se yen ka ho.
Eno mo akantie base bi so.
Akantie no ne esa ko ye masala ti no se central box wo. Soya fo no ho.
Akantie no ho ye kato.
Obi a o tie ni bi.
Has one this can ko e.
Boza.
Esa kuisho so mbo akantie
ama no nye kumazana.
Tuma ni we mani we.
Eti ye wie ya no. Eno mo to za do no ma yen. Ene ye no mo ko ho. Eno mo so ko du mu de mo ko na mu nuanom. Eno so apomle da mu num. Enti de ka ne se. Brekum fo de mo ba ye no.
Tuma de ma ye ti aba.
Ye brekum no. Ye ta mo chi. Ye ta brekum fo na chi. Because okodu oro mi de che o mu so ati nyum ne da. Bofo no ko ye no fidie yi kodu no. Nti no kutatuo. Etu ko ya no de tuo no twidua. Ena opeja ase kan so de kotwa kodu ne si wa ya na aso aboare na anu. Hon
Kodu na ko.
Kodu America won. Ofo ba no be fa di tuo.
Se sa anu so no bofo no timi sheda o.
Dabi ojeda. Se fidie yi no. Fidie yi kodu o.
Eje wana na ekura se kan no de ko
dey. Ofo ne kuta se kan no. Wo di asent. Ya je na e bofo no. Eti de ko ye no a ye ne kokuo ye de kodu.
Ba wa se ne weti acheche mu.
Bekum da ma wo fo. Ene ye kodu. Wo di asent. Ene fidie yi e bekum. Ene o de ade twam ne hon ye ne ye kono.
Eti fidie na yi mu no. Relegation ka mokoda no.
Dia fidie no. Ana bofo se wo de uko na wunu ya no me na bubusa sa na bubusa sa na wunu ya no wo se we na ba
ono bofo no. Awoni so o massacre so a wo di kotwa de mu a.
Won ko anya ni so kotwa de mu.
Ebetimi abeti ahoma.
Wo di twabu ani tirim na bo ani twi ni mu na ka wa ya no. Ana we ya ne tie asem ni yo. Ana hon okodu America hon aso de uko na wunu ya na chamba na bomu am de abuba shetu mu a. Hey na no. Onfa to ni obi am okota jo no te me. Kodu odi oko na wunu ya no kodu America hon na oko no. Echamba na wunu ya no bomu a. Hey! Ezi ewi ebrekum na so bi a okodu omu de amuko na munu ya no didi achi na mto na mo we.
enye wa na beka no ase ubenya nka Kotoko ne has nyina nka league ni
enye Sunday me si yenhye wo mo me nka se mo nwe me nka se Kotoko nwe me si yenhye wo mo tie masema me ka de no me nka se Kotoko nwe yenhye wo mo
Kotoko so has Sunday
ene de wo na wo kan na America me asema wo kan na ma je so anya na asase 5 matches I go win 3 aso bekam ya de nka ho bekum de nka ho wongam
ezo be call 46
points wakam enti em fase de ni mienu bekum ne ya de nka ho 46 wakam it is all that here ye ba watara shewo du ma watara bo 1 wa bo 2 wa bo 3
ba Watara tama mo share second goal no na has player bi ko no
awo won kura
osoko
won kura osoko ko se bi kan you look at James Abass that want to score 5
na Watara otitwi ya na no nka twa na
want to score 5 the bro na ba ya ka e ma ya yenka ye bro na spiritual ba na ya kan
ota no Watara di nko
oh me tam friend sa oni buza na ba ka ba me friend phone so kura da ba bi shia adan kura say o se me mra kam na da no me ma kam na so da bi ya manya nsetre ma me kampo ba ntu no nya abotre me enteta chire na asa ya po ma chire ko ba sa me mra na so da bi o nya abotre na ye mpia team na team ni ko gina ba bi team ni gina soro a ye beba asemi ya board the two so na me ka chire asa me kura no mpanifo a wa Asante roje me ne first me bom mpanifo amane se omo frɛ no omo ne kasa ne ye pɛ na asem de ma ne nyira kasa no omo ne mra fo
o kasa dodo
omo ne mra nyɛ se o kasa dodo omo ne mra fo o kasa o kasa dodo dia na wo ya kasa tia no
men kasa tia no
o ye se ne kasa no omo ne mra fo
se akwa aye dodo nti na mo kasa
omo ne mra fo bizasi ya maka me nen 4 days na me frɛ no me frɛ pani bi me gina so na mo frɛ ko me man kasa bi na me so o so wate wade atum nti person se ntwo fo so de wa kam na twam no mu nyai bo
ya se na ka she masa
na se mo ade anya na muso so da bi ya sai na ya da anya na muso so na
Abass oso me do asi we ha ya mesa ba hobi ye to so e de amamo solo
watara fi na community pe wa na kasa bi
se
mu nya kana muso mu nya ase da fi wa dwene ade yesu nya wonju o makasa no mrafo
Watara woni media na fofo
danfo is different has a juma different if you work in the house of folk don't bring your friend here there if you work in your friend go to work with your friend if you work in the house of folk work out of no how to go in
na ye na ka we
Welcome to 102.7 FM.
okay ba fo kwa ba
ejo so director
bibia boko de
oh Abass ni Twum mama ni aje nyumre yi
bibia boko de
fom combination we mi hu ya che
ai
fom combination we mi hu ya che
me designer e bi mo nche ai
fom ko Fridays anyumre
enche bia ye be lunch nti don't worry
o se ma chom ko to
Abass ntimi amo ho na se
Twum dia to house so one house for so say house ko bi ko ko match
say ya na busare say we mi refi busare ya say mi refi onya na wakan asemi
ana mtu makatu busa
wakai
odi busa odi
tumpa cho me besa mi busu asem kakra
asemi wo yi ano dada
mbani se sa
ko bi asem ade ba
tie mbani fo se sa ko fa wo
ka ho
ko do mi ko fo sa ko che mpinji ye wa ye ko she bia si buesi ase akai mi mone league leaders le form say samates ni pa mi no to ampa ho makoto dwo mi no shi ai na bo ne ko ba bi ye je penalty ma
penalty na mo friend
sa penalty no
penalty mo friend
penalty ye friend Boko Haram penalty Boko Haram penalty ye je ma kroma eni ba bi ni to ampa ho makoto dwo mi no ko shi a am ye je penalty ma ye kan wa se kroma
penalty
ko je penalty Boko Haram ye kan wa se kroma
ese wa je atum se mo de no sa yo
football na run about utwa cham run about na upie na akwa yeso na bi to ko
etimi ka
idea
se
na kai
football na run about
abana
so
asem na ka tia
me tiase me see football is run about eti de tu obi a ususu no sa na wo so tu a me susu
okay
into chere say
into ba sa na ususu ma ya sa na ususu ma wo
tumbe ni nyina no
sa na ususu ma me a sa na ususu ma no wo ususu ba bone ma me a
na o tia se si a
ususu ba ba me ba ma no
Twum na tia se si a we dey program we aso wo e na o say o ma komanhia aba ama e dey renew energy aba ama mo dey winning matches nko for say o mo to matches Twum na kan.
Wona le gazia.
Ana o ka say uni ba kono mo to match na gina benkum na say o gina nifa. Twum ya no kan e.
Yede yo wole mko bizenga.
Twum nyin tum say o mo to matches there. Ade na Twum fo say house there mo to matches.
Oh na aba ti twa to sesi o se o mu wie ye no. Ana o mu disika koi.
Hey, careful.
Oh, you see mama no see. Hey, o mu disika koi. O mu wie on flow supporters o mu ko wi akanche. Hey, o mu to akanto bi okato.
O mo disika ko.
O mu disika koi. E chapter the match disika mu ko am ko wi house ai bekum supporters. Akwa wi akanche mo mra me enwenam. Ana obutan say nam ye to bekum emienu. Brako no so anya brako no. Nemum katodie no ye disika koi. Ya we now. Okodi America. What as all people want see disika ko bekum akoto na mama bekum.
Me ko je ko brekum me ko na ni jiye. Me ko na na ga so.
Etu won so sika akoto na mo bekum.
Ọhọ ya ko echichi na line no.
Ọhọ na ebu na
echichi na ntuna na.
Ọhọ na ekum na mo.
140.
Ọhọ akantere ko.
Matoma na
ya bekum na sema. Bekum ko na na keke. And then the other is another support game. You must have run so ujumo.
Meba.
Ujumo mo say.
Ya bote. Mo me anya no 1-1. Anya sa mutubo ma. Omo mutie no mo he no monte.
Akotonam.
Wonu se mo me no. O si se Kotoko fo susu se.
Se so na di jare, ye di ko jare ye nsufin a. Omo so di eni nsufin. So sa no susu ma ye di a. Omo so di eni nsufin. Ono sa matter se no nsufin. Ye o ko na mo ne Lions. Keeper ya bobo omo keeper puaba. No obi akọ banzo akọ sego. Ye wi na mo se referee na akọ course. Enam se di koti ya mo di referee na akọ course. Lions fo wi ere no mu jama sa tu to so be se ase da yeri mo nya be Lions fo no. Obo ya ni go no. Enye ku jom ko wi to so be se ase ni mo no mo toro no. Ase da ye ku jom ko wi to so be se ase. Has fo. Ye di ase da me nya me.
Obi o lusu.
Obi a wasegu ayanye o sa di ase da me nya me.
Obi a
mo ka je se referee la ko
against oba yara.
O di ase.
Ana o sa di Lions wachi. Aka do ato nyum ko ja mo kwan.
Ko mo kwan.
Aba se atwa asema atwa ba bia banya ba bia afa.
Sesai.
Cause mo has for kramba hanamba wini amakwa attack dancing.
What's that?
Mo team na tie
Mo camp ko no mo da made achi. Wa ja me ga se mo fia o.
Enti de
Timothy Proko no mo da camp made achi.
Timbe.
Wani ko ko wani da ka ye
Timbe.
O ya se. E ko fu ga no madu ye ko am se masa ye ya do 70 mo so mo de 30 back 100 complete.
Ah, ti mako de. Mako de ti.
Ko fu bia mo ko mo do we bruta. Ko fu ni bruta.
Wa mo.
Hey, you go to camp o se akuzo e se ya ba mo so bro fu o Hausa ni ye typical Hausa ya ntini ye. Ni fra ko bu so ngo se bra Hausa we ni ntini ye. Ko fu ba ye no mo gigiri am se masa ye do 70 30 na mo dia back complete ya silidi na pa na ko fu ya silidi no baba ya ready en ko no. Ye ko jo bi ko jo be se ase di o news.
history ni o.
Ye ko jo bi ase
ka de penalties. Don Kennedy mutam Kennedy penalties sen makabia ko.
Penalty ya na mo dia ma o mo.
E je history na very pretty ye nya usamra ne na de on ba. Ya fra Kennedy mi home time. Ya ni o mo draw baba na sports stadium. Don Kennedy say penalty mo so.
Ni otumi ya se 1+.
E je history ni ya order da.
Ene 1+1 ene
bia na tu.
Okay, ya to. Twum ene Abass. Mesa ba musubiem. Abeyafo wa hide e be hwe has board. Warning no de Abubakar Watara. Mama no warning. Kotoko National Circles Chairman Christopher Damenya osa organize mini buses de ma Kotoko Circles no so mo fan ko support team no kwesiada abe mo ni Brekum Chelsea de AC ani eze de kamera se circle foi MZ team o mana aje agina mo no mo yo
e de ma mo se match sa aka ne de Dr. Christopher Damenya ndie ni mu hwe se Kotoko abo enya resource
ewie na me ka se bi chese ase abo office no
Damenya Damenya circle for
se Damenya wo ye because
ono ye cha o ye because o ye circle chairman tia
adubo ndina de circle na
se onye cha circle chairman ka onu kura na onye circle chairman ya no so Kotoko ono de enu de se bi mpanifo se okoduo utara na oyi ni America onye circle chairman kra no ne Kotoko so de en de ade e ho dadaada we de mia mani tuam bia me hu bie a me di adanse so ho nti ono no kra no sisi e no circle chairman no fanto ho ne fanto management and as a board ne fanto ho because na adwuma na oye no nya circle chairman adwuma ne de ahedin but eba adwuma na oyɛ na aboro circle no so enye circle chairman adwuma
na dey no ye
anade oyɛ insane circle chairman ontimi nye the oyɛ no the management for the board for yɛ no oyɛ no patro what dem che na say nye circle chairman dey dem say bobo adoma no na fa npa megu stadium wo no
Twum Kotoko me dem no
so then tell me say the oyɛ no enye ne circle chairman tin dey no board so he deserve to be on the board or management one of them a campaign me mesre atu ho na mo me dem nya so be no se me no me ni shada me ne nkasada
shada wonni shada
awahin
wonni
shada
wonni mo nsa ho da
oh na nsa ho da so bi na no be obi atwam ba se bia ye hia mu se ye di nkomo etisen se bia me ni takuda me ni simpo ada
ma be ka so mo
o se den ka de o kana yin tan ni wa no
so be ka obi asoma je wodi musika ansa
ah na wo ni musika da wo ni da manya sikada o be ma ka e o program so ni da manya sikada
na he fa na afido odi asem
da bi no me ka so asa me kan say me fa to me so asre say papa no wasom adu ba bia o deserve say okosoro minim who will come meaning how the next Kotoko
na nyo no na wo na nse na wo say circus adwuma be ya chairman wa feli
I circus adwuma de ma na nya biom
na obi wa feli wa circus de be no
obi o ha wo tena se na se oye analysis a utumi se host no oye ne ma nya no me analyst adwuma na oye no oye management ni board adwuma more than circus adwuma de me kan nyina no and I'm ready to campaign and do it say you dey ko so aso ho no a me pagya ne de na ko
now the one about circle ho
I don't know how, I don't care. Media no say no. Na djuma na oye no. More of management and board. He deserves it to be there. Ko fo be board so a. The oye no you couple that oye hu me boa. Kotoko board ayekan enra enne ochina na no atwa mu mfe bi atwa mu die no. Ko fo be has been board members a. Ade de menya ye makotoko no. O mu bi but o mo board no so. And I'm saying that so what share the menya so Kotoko no. He deserves to be a board member. He deserves to be a management member. That one I'm ready to push it. Second dia enye ohonye. Second dia enye. Second dia enye na ono dia no ye no. Na no onye second chairman say ko obey second chairman ko ya. Because say ne oye second chairman tin wo ye. But the menya that I have known over the years no. Enye second chairman na ma osun Kotoko. Osun Kotoko because ono Kotoko ene dia.
E dia no waye ni yie. E ma ofu say ese de ka board and management ho.
Oh,
and ade na why a wanye ni ye a ofu say circus chairman no ofri ho.
Circus chairman dey wa feli. And dey wa feli puto and dey say fa ba wa ho kala betint abe yeah
what we can discuss this here because of the position as National Circus Council chairman. And onne ne mpanyifo decide say
mpanyifo be
oh say ufa a meeting omoko ye a unko hia nana kuntumpo ni afere hin nana na patrons ni bi koy regional chairman ni bi koy ena ono a ne circle no ye ne executives ni bi koy nti omo na sese no maka bom say on the dano say ne omo decide say Kotoko matches no mbo no mfa ne say omo kura age matches no mbebo
me jini nyina to wo
so te be chance etina me bi say o say edie na wofu say wanye ni ye a ese o free wo as National Circus chairman ena die ena waye ne sonko a oso ese ne management na abo
de waye ne sonko ne say ye ka say o to ni ho especially say bia ni sika ene na daje say o de ye Kotoko bobo kuo no ehwo adwuma a oye ne ho oye ne ye nsoso circus ne de na dwuma say obi a oye titrani ana say obi a oye no dafo ana say obi a oda no a say obo me mobilize support for the circus no wa fairly abysmal wa fairly top wa fairly kwa nya ande nya anu de say ko fa de ba e be sa de no what I say me pesa say bi mpredasa e be say kutibina tumina futa kakabita to me penisa tinam say yenyi circus ni sinchen as for the circus he's failed abysmal bitterly woeful enti ane de ma yenka
enye circus adwuma ya na de bo na baso
ɔnna minimum no na wɔnyɛ circle ni sɛbia me som circle sɛbia me teacher ni na sɛ me chama no na ɔso kotoko bɔbɔ kuro you see there's a distinct difference between the kotoko and football club and then the circles as a friend saying supporters body and as a mobilization body no and I'm saying that as a kotoko ni ma pass was say on kotoko the bɔbɔ kuro no yɛ ne dia na ɔso bɔbɔ kuro no wɔyɛ ho adwuma da ipokuntum bless nyina na ɔso kotoko that one I mean maybe I'm saying ni hu nipa bi ka baby omo ye no dance ma me pokunti na koye and ni normal we the matter I'm saying that ba say yen sun kotoko bobo kuro no fantastic na ya pasa mo breso omo ko Dubai anyo na tuto jarabia ni eyinum na dade mom koye on ba party de nom ko die nyina no na etuaka na no ya omo ko etakoyi on ko ye die hu amoma ni wa achi enti omo se ba na se dia sun kotoko ni die no two ways about that. But second segment and yet. Second segment and they said to me, say, Saka Sinja was failing that me campaign, mano.
Was Emina?
That be say,
Emina.
Oh,
you got Abass one day, our bonny. Eh, say, Oko Takwa. Oko Takwa. Organization also in his position as national secretary.
Because of Kotoko, that you are son of Kotoko Dada. And no more secretary, no more son of Mano.
But you see, because it's a secretary.
CCRD.
And to just say money because I'm not here.
But CCRD. CCRD, whatever the man is doing for Kotoko. Or as the NCC chairman.
It is a Juma Muye in collaboration with the IMC.
Aye. Oh, the assembly all kind of what person or put up to work and work in the simple. But for not one candidate for the circus leadership. And your honey. Oh, assembly okay. Debbie. Everybody got to
yeah, analyze you.
Man, analyze me after
Muntimi. Siasi ane bafo. Muntimi. Enya no ne yeka issue na da ho no ene ye discuss. Nti opese ye nyina ye ka bom ne ye program na ye kama. Ye mfa asem na da ho ne ye discuss.
Debo, ano penyin bi na ka.
Jagi to meet you.
Penyin bi ka cha.
Awo ma film.
Circus no. Ade hia pa. O say obia ka say e ka bibia mensi ne hu. O say the first most important thing. We are chairman e sika. O so omodwumadi no. 99.9% you the chairman bringing money you kwe sika kwe sika. Wa second bi da. Penny bafo enim ne pa ne tam o se circle no 99.9% of their job bibiam ko bia no e sika na de kwa akoye. Now you have someone who is there as the NCC chairman or no sika same pra he gets it for them to go and do those things as the NCC chairman. At least the least thing you can say about the person only be aka near the job to say onye hwede no mentia say I will never accept this so onye hwe anya bia na enim say Kotoko supporters no dues mbo yo e ka muntua they are not paying dues me wan ka dues na ko muntua no enanka NCC people be akwa adwuma de bia they go there in their coffers and take money. No matter what say adwuma de no amun je di so no now the chairman have to
he's damaging the chairman
bia no so ono na yi ni sika personal no rekoye NCC adwuma in the name of the NCC no otwia monkoye enti anye bia no he is committed in making sure say financially bia spiritually dia humanly bia no available to help solve NCC problems. But what is it no? DNS or ya onye. There be DNS or ya onye. If there is something that was says see ane ya onya obin country. And we know why this narration should come in. You said it very well, yes. Baby I memo do no. Chris the menya atra NCC level. also a board member.
Sir.
And yet,
Sana uhuno.
no, and there be out do no. I said, oh yeah, what can see? But baby, I want to find the ornament. I didn't know you I don't know you but now so you can't say them in you. Yeah, I was on ye. Yeah, I was on ye. Yeah, catch it.
Wọ́n dẹ́gbẹ́ ọ̀tí ẹ̀sẹ̀ sẹ́kù sẹ́ wọ́n dẹ́bi àwọn tí a dùn sẹ́mu kọ́mìtì kọ́mù yẹn nípa. Wọ́n lọ sọ ọ̀nà kọ́mìtì bọ̀. Asante region àti o. Ọ̀nà kọ́mìtì bọ̀. Asante region àti o. Ìsìn ìwọ̀n ọ̀nà kọ́mìtì. He first. Asante region àti o.
Alẹ́ ẹ̀sẹ̀ nù.
He is the chairman.
Alẹ́ ẹ̀sẹ̀ nù sẹ́.
Don't you know?
Let me ask you one question. One question.
Does the man know that he is the chairman of the National Circus Council or chairman of Asante region?
One question.
Question only question because Asante say Christopher Damenya is the chairman of the National Circus Council, including Asante region. It's Asante region for you. That is one thing you should know.
Question.
Who will start the question?
Asante region for also me mutana me mutajibu. Asante region for no. Omunim say omo chairman. And omo sore ya asankosi ya omo ekoto letter. Say in capacity of omo no who were they? Aso mati omo. Eti do no mo chama. No mo chama.
Bafo nyabote.
No mo chama.
Meba oso mani nwie bafo mani nwie owi amba oso.
Asema ye kan nya ne se and the NCC no without the menya na nke gu without Christopher the menya jibo NCC nke gu no without him na ko omutu nya hu o kroma say without Chris na community who or come say because of the menyanti and then they are able to do any activity even though they are not paying dues. Yes, omuncho dues keke mpomuntia. Dues keke omuncho muntia.
It's the fellow of the chairman.
On me mi omonza. On me chi omonza. On me chi omonza.
On blind supporters to make sure say on pay dues to support the activity of the club. So until me say on failure. He has failed badly.
Look at have microphone off. Me see me wi am about so. Why?
And that's about
I can say on here.
Me see wi am about so.
Bafo ni only about
Jack ye si phone.
eti asema ye kenya ne say crazy bia ndeko to kujina no. He if you know the revival story of Kotoko, if you know the revival story of this team in their last 3 games here or maboya say 3 games bi if you know the story behind why Kotoko have picked those points no mapekina you clap for the menya oh you 7 out of 9 no and ka oba so case you oba so no
I don't know ye.
he has shown say Orono has NCC chairman he has shown say IMC no enya bia mu ntimi nya no nya wo yefra
Asemena okay. Asemena okay.
say IMC obi enu nyomo isi eni no mi no kroma say
Onim de omuye no kroma.
ye nim the IMC ni IMC ni ye we don't know what they do as IMC members
Team no mo na run team no.
I said what the nim some yan say boso me they go and pay salary and the nim say
The other activities are club na ye.
and the only nya case na ye
On the letters.
oh bibia football na discan na ye
Asema okay.
football na discan na ye bibia bibia ne Kotoko I di apart from salary na boso me ye call mention kwaje no bibia Kotoko bia discan ye bia no
Kotoko omo Who asem kra menka.
asem na me kra mo so be no
Enye de o kana mbeka.
there be say wo ka say I'm
Sanyoma we mo no. Jack sanyoma we mo no. For how long? And at the BB see ya. Ade we ya koso da bia na club yakona ni mienu na aba na chi 4. Yakona ni mienu na aba na chi be 9. Enti for how long and at the BB see?
Because there's no proper structure put in place. You understand? Because why and a team like Kotoko cannot generate even 1 Ghana cedi a month on its own. Today a team like Kotoko cannot generate 1 Ghana cedi even a month on its own. Entiende Kotoko all their operation BI so me beyond operation say BI you go to your blah in terms of operational activities about the club.
This should be the work of management.
And I make no because the management
the work of management.
Because the management are failing to generate. Since they came, they have not been able to generate even one currency a month.
As a Ghana, especially Kotoko has, you define the rules of circles and supporters and management. Ubehuana supporters here management ejuma. Na management here supporters ejuma. Na bones are there na fidi. Ubia nam ne baby no ubia ye di ope. Ti de ya na ye ne baby ya na ye kama ye hu.
Jiwo. Ye bia antena I to for say until said there will be a proper structure in place for a club like Kotoko no. Sade we esuntwa. Enuntina when some of us and I will proudly say when we were supporting and fighting the bad guys, when we were fighting the witches in this country, witches in this city, because when I know all you know, me opinion be a Kotoko it's me. And no one will soon know when you sked your show more, Marco Discano, their show more. But today, and a certain stage where, say, and no mention this kind of bar, and says this chairman in this kind of bar. But I'm seeing as you almost a winning a club, no, once in the boat,
1 year, Twum the hill.
so this is how you can Quintino. Someone okay.
Wasn't Yanocre.
What I'm saying, okay, also in Casa, and now what I call the operational costs. Jibo, tools from two sources, Mensia and NCC chairman.
Oh yeah, sure.
Oh, Jibo Zanity.
Yeah, sure.
That is how it is. The operational cost.
I don't believe it.
Strike Mamuza Zakito say, Obetina catch him say, Kotoko need sponsors. How many sponsors in the Kotoko?
Corporate.
Kotoko need sponsors.
5, 6.
There were 6 sponsors. In 2 team country, I say, almost up him so, and I did him no ACCA. And I Kotoko. Sika. Yeah, they run it team no, and yes, Kaketwa. It is sponsors. The Gentina DBA, yeah, can say, Kotoko sponsors can say and supporters. Ultimately, sponsor can say bien from ma Kotoko support Kotoko. Apart from say a league, Albanian supporters. See a league matches, bare 14 matches, whatever sports stadium. Let's every match be a say to me 20,000 crowd supporters over by Ara. She's scared, Baba. It's here can past management econo. Omu their sponsors. Omu contract enwe. Ebi die 1 year renew. And every contract esika so ska da ho. Strike how ska ho kem.
Oni da bibi so.
Oni da bibi so timi ko ba bo sia.
Dey say wo ye maska man wo
nye. Ade na enye.
Wo asa dey na say wo ye.
Die ne dey tio. Ye maska man wo nye. Kame me masa asemu ye bo ye match mu do ba ma say me ba ha na bia. Zakito cancer as meeting come and watch. Be bien who sponsors near your mom, yes, and your mom, because to me can't tell me, say Star Assurance, a circles, and as some management, and a bomb matcher. Yen and farm for Emra, no much betting my supporters. None of time near your part. I'm to be friendly as well organizing for their mom, not your bomb match away matches. I'm a Baba House sports, only 1,000 crore make you short stands via the Umbeco. It is so funny, Panny Maya. One inquires said you, man. Be beer, quite just a friend saying, a big beer, my beer. I got a club. But beer, say, is show your showcase won't be a showcase woman. It is actually to bet match them, my dear Baco. Sponsors tell an acano. Dear say, a year more, my young one can't say. You bet Jonas Waka champion for. But more than a general said, Yanyashi for Momo. Or Pian what in this cabin baby and for some Frioma. It is Ankama. See a body league. Your sponsors almost sponsor.
Komajai.
I almost sponsor league. Come free say enquire. No much more for Bia no much.
Bet power.
How much more for him? And Casa now go Bia to work for you. And she show clear say, yeah, Jumane de Momo. Contracts a contract performance or the same company I can see on Batako to Konina. On to me can't tell us on side contractor. Jumadi say would demand on your manner or better all this. But soon but so but times kaput what the abro. You be really go beyond to no free. Until then, I will catch races here.
Okay. Twum, me da say. Jack Maminti are you so kaka.
Mami, asma me Kenya and say it is on record factually say Emmanuel da so be kwatena radio say ende Kotoko. So ometo pure tempo they take money from operation mo muska.
Eno so kire say
Mama nka
se sika bia ba ebia kane no ebia ye wo board ye wo management ebia omo na na wo access to Kotoko account. But no mention the cry access to Kotoko account no. It omo hia bibia na if you mention na yede eba because Kotoko sika so ho na ekọ.
No, wa ka won dey mama so nka me dey.
There be say sanity.
No, there is
because enya possible say. Se sika empo se bi 1 cedi cry na eba Kotoko ma. Na ohene e de 10 cedi na eba. Obema obi a control 1 cedi no. No the 10 cedis aba.
Dibo. Asma make nya na say Bibi anan kame kwa arrive ne say Star Life emma Kotoko ka pre me ka che twum
e twa contract ni mana
and the mama sama bat me say
ntwa mu dia
ba me ka che won say I'm telling you for a fact said omo mama ka pre
by Star Life the Kotoko ka
and the chirasem say mo di ko because if you know the unim conversation now they are not giving them money because now say sorry my better than
I don't know
why they are not giving them the money.
They see me was Akito money bako.
And you na e wa say omo ye
so insurance what say Kotoko ye mo wa enya mo.
E mo omo kapre
my bako
because omo so feel say ABCD
and
ABCD trade bako my bako pe na me
oh Twum
Dabi yenja sponsors asemo aye ebe team Ghana has example open sponsor amena twa 1 cedi crowd am
mamma bi
it is your be say na so wo come me one team nja o sa
obi ti abaka say bi Zakito e kan tra one Star Life
for 1 minute we
contract am musa ne ye no busu bia before they pay money to Kotoko e so Kotoko enso ekire omo ejuma omaye in terms of the number of activations say give them records of proceedings omo ye bi wa we na 100 na 200 na 50 in the contract that they signed with Star Life
enya no cray
that was in the contract
a circus na story akoya activation na say money
that's why could not even challenge me
me say yento so sia mama nti oga ka bi na me nko be so na fei
na
ye move to next
oba kan mamu a ade a ya friends aware egu so be ma no oba aware the first our egu ni say after tobe ni na ba ko de ba ko nsa be ko koma busua na afi abusuan so agi ogi ai na chese aware na egu so Zach might have a problem with say Star Assurance interest come out Asante Kotoko, but the contract is still there. Whatever been the case, Star Assurance entry contract no Kotoko ekoso advertise omo Kotoko omo car ene omo Jesus ebubum Kotoko for me get closer to Kotoko obo ka tell me say activation omo Kotoko na ye Kotoko no create an enabling platform at the company no omo eme activation because Kotoko supported, that's where they get their supported from because Kotoko supported don't have converge by Sports Stadium and also omo ye program bi it is Star Assurance before no and ebe contact Kotoko say okay it was a league match course on there they say no yeah the activation one Kotoko be say Twum gate no ombe make sure say omuba omunya twitwi bia ho ni pass Star Assurance for the omuba they will come, they allow them to go to the stadium to get to wherever they want to go na omonso asate oje to the omuba and do the supporters no and that thing has always been there for them. It is a omunya activation no enye go the supporters na kwakoye na mo company na beye omuno wo avenue no platform the amount and you know omuno mu free say the Ghana yana sponsor bia ska bia mu ye dinga kai ho no obotua no and omu ntua size ka no MI you know at appropriate times can be back on ZPay had a problem with Bank of Ghana and ZPay had reported that problem to Asante Kotoko. Said it's the problem that we have with Bank of Ghana and we are trying to resolve that. Everything, we will come on the time when I resolve that problem. No, which Kotoko, yeah, where that is a letter of them Asante Kotoko. And I said, I saw my catch Kotoko.
But at the Bank of Ghana for your lines,
according to source, no, who said that money transfer that there was an issue with that.
GP no transfer.
Your license. They are still in operation. But issue more resolve. That doesn't mean you have your license. What I say? So that is what they've told us Asante Kotoko. But hey, once Kotoko is activated doing their work for them, the next up to the time contract will end the hour of the date. Se Kotoko, decided to be taking on legally. Kotoko be claiming to be every floor. It is if they also end himself Kotoko deals. That's that they feel say deals from so much more. I want the right thing and just say deals.
How can you know? My memory way in Mukaka. This is the head of commentary.
Yes, sir.
My memory way in example.
Okay.
Sometimes obi timi ba on board so person sponsor comment na bia waba company bi say ni na ye dey go paper so ya sign bia company say ni enyoma we say company ni na ye but to create on say sometimes ye enyoma even beyond contract na ya sign no just because you need your money.
That's it.
The woman in Framana Manaton nyoma wi ba aka kwan be fa so ajusika but ultimately need creative relationship bi. So what the mention as maybe I am fan say Star Assurance for a year king. Kotoko can also create a platform be or be a match with no person we day. Sanyo man they also doing it at least to create a relationship. Maybe at a point company ni be full say Kotoko mano an environment even a year beyond agreement what paper so until let's continue with them. So
yes, YouTube is a relationship mount me and then beyond the much kind. So if Kotoko decides to be a pay the Kotoko for cano, so decide to be a omuna umu say the support to AF. But the much people would get Kotoko no person much say the contract na sounds a contract be a sign. Your baby will be a limit or two. But that's what I say. You will be a limit or two. And Kotoko no feels say omu limit no. They are not the one to do the activation, but they create the environment number. So say if Kotoko decide say yeah, it is because be a Star Assurance for no. I know more attract you more money you no more you be and that's what the work no. But so munye ya so Kotoko nye sa and you omo and so mo ye. They feel that that's not omo na so mo ye. Company no and pay the contract no. Company na so mo ye. Kotoko no create the platform mom. So they've always been creating that platform no. But yeah no company person be yes ade no. Everybody do gate. Organizer ne Twum wo gate no e block wo mo say ye mamon konko ye Kotoko match mun ko tu sika na mako ye say ye mamon konko ye
dia possible
and no that's why they will have a problem. What I say me
what I'm saying is say Kabi one man a platform to advertise the product. The most important thing within the contract and they say who create platform no for nipan to advertise the product no you need cash to push usu project away. So what I say your bomb matching ubakone bia omoyi pitch panel bi na Star Assurance Star Life neighbor so company might even think say it's not enough here usika wo it you need to move beyond and you need to create certain relationship bia.
That is what I'm saying. That would have been good for them.
Baby I me wo a hammer kakra ne say based on the ehun nimre bi atwam no.
Yeah.
Because me sure say virtually a contract na wo ho dada na no.
And one of course.
So what them can say.
Of course.
At a point they are based on the Ghanaian economy yin sa anyoma no. Even ye ready yet to see obu ho a one na ye adwuma che edu busumi bi also busumi dey more than yemfa nko yanim na busumi fufuru du ha ya hwe ne asoto nyoma abeye common na year wa and I think it's all over the world.
On record I didn't see that until so the working.
Oh wa baby
there is busumi so on the
and cap a salary.
What kind of things?
Them person sponsors.
Okay. Oh okay and they say
so tell them just say e baby yes salary.
I'm going to busumi akatua.
So tell them just say it's what I'm trying to say ni say sa nyoma na ekoso no.
Yeah.
Enkoso biem no. yes na my relationship ni mu kakra.
That I 100% agree with you. So say if your opportunity then you have to advise them. Why Kotoko say they can also
and me sure say one another person and I'm
but it is not incumbent on them say ya anya Jessica. That's Kotoko no.
Then na omodo Kotoko previous management no. Omodo away matches na omodo moko. Di omodo mko away matches na. Star Life o. Omoko they facilitate
that's your match battery.
I don't move room no matter ko ye omo adwuma. No me understand.
Say ukọ away match. Now so dey kan a program. Start time for say ko breku mo ko bia. Omo ne management betina se. Management ni breku mas na so betina se. Your sponsors say dey omo ba say ni say dey o kana. Oh tie so that strike kan. Say ayon kofa. Ko for program ma ya. Mimi timi ko request take it and say me timi ko take it my number unko for some at because breku mo ko support us so. It is all the program aba. Some start and a friend says star assurance. Me din ko for 20 50 bi ba. Me person mo do o mo ko brekum. Na mo ko activate na management me make sure say duru a ayeye team to team. Ko management any brekum as management be tran sia kasa. No mo so me ko bia me afa so do mo ko for na ko. E bi say dey ni ma ya o ye dey 2 1 among.
Na what
I don't know slow down.
Ona dey just be am say am akwaji clarification bi abaje sia. Last month zip for 3 SK so
last month ah because me kebe won
oh yes how much SK bi so
A month over 2 months
this year last month how much SK
dey abetum
bam
in fact I remember this around the same program here wa na kasa zip one so we company bi frame me you na waka chem say omni zip for no akasa ma zip for no accept say going forward I think a month edu omo no omo to so I want to believe that I don't know how much I own you but I don't frame kasa to me
all right so me da say
na come be can ask kakra so
I number ho ye ba me mo kwan why
so
Obed mamiti way
well I think say dwumadie we nyina no it comes back to the idea bi hyenensa asemo en sheda nya asem bia sa but the work of the IMC is too much for the personalities involved. Nana Pinkrakers wa accountant or your hene. When you dwumadi ahodo di na edos. Coach Akwesi Apia currently is not easy in Ghana. Coach Akwesi Apia mpuni Ghana say see am no work say. Then Abeka Ogum who is managing technical affairs. To asha here dwumadi ne fa kese na aba beda yimaso. Obe managing administrative aspects, obe managing the secretariat, obe managing the operations, obe managing the corporate affairs, obe managing the communication of Asante Kotoko. So clearly, some of these things is set to happen. But it all comes back to understanding. The sponsorship of the Ajibo, a bit middle kappa, including in the giants. I can see na ebo mudino, ometimako 2-3 months. Especially omunya crisis be the 2 and because of the relationship untino on beso be yen the content change say femisi kama misisi ya oh and when it comes to activations your activations are in the contract you can sika na ye den ma wono say activation no e can sika na ye den ma wono it becomes the duty of the club say sika na nka ho dia and yes, so company now prepare budget ba na create the environment ma. We need to understand the two. Inti se wo hwe ebia Kotoko se o chefu wala. E dey amane sponsor, amane supporters, true goila. Ese Kotoko contract we say busumi bia no. Ebia e ma 40,000 Ghana cedi. Nemo mu 5,000 fire activation there. Ese Kotoko ye. Inti busumi ne so a na Kotoko na choose filling station. Kwa na bia am 5,000. Mumbu for 5,000 same farmer supporters. Ni enye mama. But say new contract ni mu dia. Say that particular branch no ana Asante region be decide. No ma actually ta bre Kotoko. Ebia on this particular Friday, ye be a branch bi wa say. Ye be hia mo say mo beba as our partners. Mo ba join yen. Nti ebia hia den, hia social media promo free mo. Ebia hia some of your supporters. Some beba ho ebi ajama enyum tuobi ebi here some of my players some beba be chucha pictures with our customers and all that one na be list yako because one na won budget one who ska wo dey ko so you should know the two it's a star life there no if the activation will come from them, we want to propose an umbrella Kotoko no ni asem. Because so propose an ban, it will come with a cost. Inti se ni me contract se me na me fa car. What mean country me mean to be insurance transfer me yi be 10,000. Me de ma me be farm staff de ma ko bia brekum. Ana akodom akoy activation. No. Because the activation you be fast staff akọ. Obe tent. Ombeto nsu. Obe mo e bia pay them. They will need some level of protection. Home and away ni nyina I come with a cost. In a new contract, it's a club never. When I saw the bar, so one tramba, not club ne time, so no bejinisika. You cannot have issues with them, so I know activation amount. But Star Life, then what I think is the more the numbers of or more register no cost no, a advantage to Asante Kotoko.
Yeah.
Because Kotoko will get a percentage of the Fabu assured
shows so much interest.
Fabu assured a year insurance.
Yeah.
Say be a nipa ba ku register. So 310 cedi be a Kotoko bo mu 1 cedi. In that case, you have to give the person pressure. Send more people will register so that you can also benefit from it.
Yeah.
But no benefit in here. Nipa register, but it will not affect the contract money. It's a misumeka samatiada. And we a bonus. But misumeka samatiada. But so many so I say odi misika mame because activation in nyame medjuma. Into Ghana Premier League. Bet power DNA. Media promo sikan oman farmer FNO. And that's why FNO promo. Let's can what bet powerful now. Which was wrong. Because the moment you declare that amount, I'm giving you an example. Because I was African Macasan now only meeting
what a didn't in a bet powerful by some of sponsor Ghana Premier League.
I feel me say African Macasan
somehow okay.
Oman Canada.
I didn't know mobile some sponsor Ghana Premier League
to get promo.
Near mileage. Now we are no atoms Canada man say
but they make can say
what
there was a dedicated sum for promo. Omute says can for promo.
Oh my must say as one can back catch you be and say yeah the $1 million I'm bet power for some fan could promotion. Nadiana league no don't but league in bet power and be promoted.
Jibo come crowd and can you
cancer from
so the point I'm trying to make is that the conditions will determine what will happen. What I say most of the time activation comes from the company. Activation Obama a some amount said where would there. But on fact activation
but you also create a platform at least on the sikaje who is sikatria obedadin o edin buta say na say hu say chematin ya na boy yi kakra ya na wa fe wo kekam
oh actually
eno kwa na ye kakra bi no sikatria den
a cut
like which one are you aware say a year in the contract?
What I know is they have a percentage in the Fabu Assure.
Yes.
That is what I know.
I know the figure.
Which a certain figure.
No. The more people will register, it will benefit to Kotoko. And the means
the more two parties need activation. And when the man for so normal register.
Exactly.
It won't say ofani me no. After one say both parties know a role to play.
They have a role to play. But
the more normal activation no. And amount for
but the cost of activation would depend on
cost.
But on the activation there comes with a cost. For instance, your Bobo Sunday. Now say oh 5 workers 5 about a year on Sunday so so if it's in the contract of Kotoko to organize activations, they need to cater for that. Until no say na Kotoko contract mo no na e mo fa omo ankasa supporters. Maybe o ma show ma tade no mo convince you omo. That is when a year Kotoko neka. But say company neka dia then you have to come to Kotoko and say Kotoko has match way. Me person me activation. I want to have a draw plan about. Until I'm the go there na fact.
And then I make us say because there is another area Kotoko so be benefit pa no. In some matches you can even write to them. Match we there na more ye. What do we emi no there na share to help to promote more product no.
So that's true. For now I can't say be Kotoko nye ana omo nye. But also the abeni say mandatory ones no. What did the better car ho? obe use no flyers ase ebia be use no jerseys pitch panel say ebia match promo where you be so also ebia say wo ye interview a backdrop so also those are mandatory ones and no onyas this kanema kotoko wi a kotoko na the pace kan ko pitch panel no kotoko na the pace kan dey atare wo jesim kotoko na the pace kan so ye flyer bi obema odin Abass ye. Do you get my point? But when it comes to the activations, we need to know the type of activation we win.
Okay.
The second chart in the me say whether kotoko di so and I say on di so.
Obed, you better so what is Yasi and what is Akitu nka ba for what in nka sa so and a Twum and a Abass. Omunyina what omo nka. Yento so. Facebook room mo fanto so has a release video. Pobiman the video about the current state of Pobiman. Twum. Boni akonwa.
We are as a school.
Unya bote na unhwe video enwie na
kan wa. Dem say beto so na asem nhwe. Esumi hu ye na ba bi na ye abogo na nchenchen nyina atakwa me.
Eti se obetimi adjoin here on Facebook.
Sapeti.
Promise Radio and I say Oyepa and Promise Sports on Facebook na Promise TV abetimi ahwe. The current state of Pobiman omuguso omo ye adwuma na empempenso amodu and omode e kire no o hwe adwuma omo ye
adwuma de
omo amabaso
we de kanu ara say de
chukolela omo babaso
kolela go ensu atwam akon ba bi na ade bo akose
location no uduru wona sa anyoma bi sei wo ho a kane na ususa no ba bi sei kwa na ye jiska na akotwa picture ho ensu no de ball an baba ensu no free suru ho ba no and the non park no so no ma ye ne kama bi so twam akọ ade akọ enya ofe
dabra straka we akọ se sabo we de ne we
enya ofe
straka we de
omudi siesi na we obi sini fie di siesi ni fie
ana say bo we de supporters before mbo to place rim abo akukuma bo we ade akọ group training ground so ubo so bo players strike
Twum
abo ka se we ya training ground wo so wo siesi o
Twum
boss for before o di abo we akọ group park so say wo di siesi o
Twum
obi tambo ba ko so ko has prayer na sama enkoye na se enkoye
we ye munuamo
oh dabi mo kam bi nti mo we di eni
we ye munuamo
oh dabi track mo kan chan so mo ye
about years ago
we ye se o de
meba be 2 years ago le kaya be
wait
Twum tie me
that to de di madan se we sapete
nanya kwa ya ufaso
o de kwan
Twum wa se obi ga cheo o ye ne fero hia patapa Twum be 2 years tie be 2 years ago semba kaya 2 or 3 years ago Kotoko started ayi adakoja achi project no na ha so start we na dan comparison na uni kroma
straka why
atene be o maduru
straka why now eye ade bia has supporters any management any body bab on tia be twekoro supporters adwena free ye ne omo match ne so ye bo wia na omo de aba why now we am go for ba ye mo de tim go ye ya kan wa sam ko ti kasa bum but ma baba mo baba coach one I'm for we aba to ye ndai
o say me obi a me criticize has especially when it comes to their PR we a proper PR
wait
aye
some mu wi na mo de aba hwenchen o we
enya ofe
container no container bi na
anokre enya ofe
strike out the chonu e dey
and am say enya ofe
strike out there omo se container mo pe container ana na ya be container enya container bi na mo yi kire container na mo design o de pro ani ade afon mo pento mo de has swag afon we enya container
enti we so just ade enya ofe
container na ye bi na mo se anya no e bi na ma hu
mo be hwe na mo ye bi ade ko jachi
container ye nya di kan ye jesu strike out container dem who ye container ye dey house flag apento we sapete enchen green grass o madua nyina na asi ensu atwa makọ ne ba bi ana mo de bo akọta
o ma na kreti o
saka hwabo o mo de agu we sa ha simen koye sa tata na foi ana sa tata o fo tisi wa aboy o we bo player bi ti ma pra no we ye di say trading house
where tabo where strike out your watch no there some so easy
Abass mamintio we mamintio
wait for once abukari damba ene ko hwe ade bi akabe me de once damba saatama damba house fuku no yene damba ko shia Lizzy Sports Complex Lizzy Sports Complex yene abukari damba damba ka kire me abukari damba Sheikh Mansour Togo afede ana abukari damba na saatama Mr. Fred Kingston ti Mr. Fred Kingston ana mbisa Togo afede say Togo afede say bi na house folk ye pese ye ni pobi man
Lizzy Sports Complex they say ni ho
say ni ho bi
ezo ko head dan a skeni wo Ghana ha CSC wa
ana ja ampa Togo afede o de osia yoyo wa ma pobi man anya waste say de bi dia waste no ama pobi man aye kraba hwe ma menka sanwie
chuma ni nwe microphone
nyabutre na wo fish dem na wo da container nyabutre Mr. Container take time
container bi resim wey
oh ye na container mu nyabutre
container de
chum
container
we container nka sa
chuma ni nwe why owi anu aba why
container
oko construction
moko yi bi Abass right
chum mesel e ba cho
so amure o kan jitu mam sa de na me hwe container
wi aba be yiwa no nyabote why Abass mitio
Omo construction omo use budget ye drinks ya said 0.6 drink 0.5 drink 0.9 drink 0.6 ni bia ne say e the mitex near the mitex aba say 10 mitex say 100 mitex say 200 mitex e ko through 1 kilometer what you say drinks in that one you can't watch a one container na on ko ntimi to drinks in ko o obes can let drinks no head drinks awie now the latter teguo no compati now awie no ceiling billions of cities and you to go enti we as of for kwaya no enti say the Ghana buying so oye kwan no oye bridge kura no wetimi ka kwam sika sem timi ha Ghana ban no ka kwam
na wagina ontimi ko na ni
ba wo hwe die Togo afede ayo po bi man se ya no a there is no club apart from Ice Good apart from Obuasi Anglo Good there is no club
ayi for no Kempon Academy for no
on to you
hofo
on to you amuntu ko hino ko kunja gukota kimpo wo
kota na oka
kota
okay
hino ko kunja gukota
we kota na magunu
wo just say
we
kota ekwan yie no wunima yo Fidel Rose yo
great chow Facebook
and you support
on video
Ansani aba asphalt that is the way any grade 2 nie kwan ye grade 2 nie Getunie so nima ekwan getunie
okwa construction company be na wo no
mini na say na mdi na ji odenke
no leke
na ma me master no leke master pa
no me kwa na me obesi
na baba madjuma se mbam ka cho o madjuma ti wi amaka o madjuma o ni papa kromo
tukoye
o madjuma so mdi sin tu ba wodin den dem se dem si ya
oleke tu anu atie
oleke tu anu matie mo so dem boss wa no
Mr. Nsia baby o
ja matese sika bi su kra land last week to leke mi wi na fra no enti ja me boss no wona de na kroma o de go o pa enti
unti kumase
sika yebo sa kota we sika so che wa bi dwane etie the Togo afedase for development for the public man ekwan ya ofo so develop public man ni die hey so wako nso atema ida wako nso atema ko mo ida
metwemba menrem
wa wurem a sabi papa no we your defo pa ya ka MPP mpanimfo so ka pa ba pa start ya no okozi we na bafo kutari kwai enye easy for the first time me call me come am say man why ya de ba ka de ba ko so bit me gu kwa na free ya agosi no come enye easy me no ka say onya botre demolition krom ko demolition atoko da dey say fu no omo ko e grade kwa clear so and you very cutting omo ko cutting e ka cutting kwa no ye da wo
to wetim no ye onya house
ye wi ye no why swimming pool why swimming pool what you say
I don't ko huntintiri ti mo dia to go japa dia oni ni secret so be try na start to ayo dia
we are no maka we are no maka ye ko ayo utim enje ukobi house of folk
ukobi Abass kawanu tum ne jade o che to go bia njiri sika se house mo ye ma pa dia kasa be na ma kasa tim no dia asema no dia
asema wo ka
obi japa dia
asema wo cha ma Abass kasa
asema wo ka
ma cha ma Abass kasa
ada se wunim dia wo ka na wa hyada anase wunim wasam ne mienu ada se wunim dia wo ka no se wa hyada anase wunim twum nsam ne mienu eno ano no ye ko AGM no to go afeda nka so wa de ka wo wa se house of folk de ka to go afeda se house of folk ka eta woni ye ti se wunim a me ka kire wo moko ahimfie na se e ka me bonu kotoko woni ye what you say e ka me bonu kotoko woni ye sa twini mi wa chichem
to man ka twi to go ka twi
to go for the say bro kan no
ka ba fone so
bro kan no
say
was there also folk debt is 8 million Ghana cedis
say
8 million Ghana right now house of folk debt is 8 million Ghana cedis must I let you talk
man
let you talk
Abass nyabo
let me talk
Abass nyabo ayi
must I let you talk let me talk eti onzo okọ otunfo no krowura Asante mawura say e ka obo e wo kotoko wunie disa twi ni mienu no yemfa nkonko awafo mutie awan jeje what you say eti enyama togo afeda ye e wo pobimane de me da bia me kamsi pobimane de me pobimane ubu send pa me pobimane mako me visensia nkwan ya ko 3 time for demonstration mako pia verso obuda ya ko pia bola pobimane da ya de ntabo akobubo pobimane ho da eti land ni vision o me to ye no togo afeda so ba ma vision na ya djuma wamana ya djuma what you say hwese bu da o bi da so bu yi won ko chana fo no o ko cha won e fe ni hida hida chawa o ko chawa sawa o ma ye bu e fe ni hida chani fo fe ni hida what you say what you chani fo no be e fe ni hida o ko ta won ya e fe ni hida e tu so be am de net bi ato ase o so net bi ato ase yes net na de ato ase no e contain heat in fair buonum sanet the heat in fair buonum mansunum that's a Chinese method that's the Chinese swimming pool yeah China me very hinta oko Hong Kong e very hinta that is what you say oti yare kan won try be akotoko swimming pool wo won try be akotoko to pavement bros won try be akotoko aye greens won try be akotoko aye kota wọ́n jẹ́ ìrẹ̀kọ̀tọ̀ kọ́ sí dáyìn wọ́n jẹ́ ìrẹ̀kọ̀tọ̀ kọ́ bí ẹ̀kọ̀tọ̀ kọ́ ẹ̀tìrẹ́dì ní ẹ̀wẹ̀ wọ́n fọ́nì yẹn mẹ́rin rẹ̀ wọ́n ti ha adìẹ ni yẹn yàyé bí wọ́n bóyá bá sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n jẹ́ ẹ̀ka mìíràn mìíràn wọ́n jẹ́ àṣẹ ètò ìdílé kan sẹ́ sẹ́sẹ́ no.
ẹ bẹ sẹ obusa no questions.
bibusa no questions sẹ.
abusa no.
bibusa no questions sẹ nínú diẹ no.
bibusa no 1-1.
bibusa no questions sẹ mo mo diẹ no diẹ no hɔ yɛ ma bilo da ne kɔ yɛ cleaning no no.
yɛ diɛ ni nsuo ni asase nsuo yankɔ AC defence jẹmi mu yẹ AC defence.
o church asemu ana wo yi ase.
no be some question mi ya.
o church
C defence ọmọ ayọ.
o church asemu ana wo yi ase.
fóònù o si.
ẹnna ẹbọ mẹ́rin ẹwọ kẹta.
nsuo da paaki náà ti sọmọ nyẹ saa ẹbọ náà nsuo ni bẹ kiri paaki náà nyẹ ni nyina kọ mu ni video ni ẹ hwẹ C defence ọmọ ayẹ no.
dọkọjà ọsì debi ni hɔ.
nsuo nta o.
Abass next question.
next question yɛ mipatsɔ container naa mo kɔ ne pan naa mo pan naa mo na mo de di ne pan naa mo.
yanni ẹ bẹ kyerẹ mu container na ne yà da roma mu video yà container.
ɛyà mo yi ɛsɛm náà anu anaso wɔ kabi.
so some question container no container striker keri mami container na mo yẹ si o mo siri ya sẹ na ne yà di container na ba no sẹ na ne yà no bẹ kyerẹ ha.
container
container na mo bẹ kyerɛ o.
mi ni question bi ebusa bi mu.
adi esu omi o
ɛni container wɔ yɛ di instrument na gum ɛni ni ewi a mo bɛ tɔ bɛ yɛ mo dan.
ɛna mo yi nko si akyerɛ o.
instrument na wɔm instrument na mo bɛ tɔ bɛ mo di ase akyerɛ
matro no ayɛ ase.
yɛ twɛ wɔn de raso yi.
ɔwɔ na ayɛ ase wɔn da.
de apɔso ne si wɔn yɛ.
eti mɛ ka kyɛw sɛ.
de apɔso ne si wɔn yɛ de yi.
wait container na mo ayɛ sa.
container ni.
container
Jack, do be na mo when I'm very also. Abass over there. I don't know about Sunday, but we are not
Bayi mo nyina ma free. Abass. Any Twum ye beto aso. Okay.
Hey, Abass baby, me 2 minutes here.
E ba cho mesel. Adwuma bebre wo ho. Nya botre. Why? Adwuma bebre wo ho e be. Why? Kabini Zach na abafo na fe obedi enhwe. Has board is somebody to coach Watara and him say interviews no. E ya doso. The Nancy on a hot FM, a choir, no has body at tuning him say, Untimi yesa. So, Obeso, Oye Bibiana on Fanto Club, and him no moon decided, or no intimate sorry, so quack interview. Coach Watara Swajatum say, and Trey na Omo common nimno, Oberhesa Sadia no NCBM, Nemum, so more concentration, our choir on Befa so winning more remaining games, our year league in him. They say has board. Omafo Muhammad they are table so fine Watara no interview nyenya club no ma permission want me call then is a job for there
we is a job for there
adentia
yakobusa mu yie oma chire mu se no krese e bia adwuma na Watara ye no many time bia na club no mpanimfo monitor no either say all call the right thing either say all call the wrong thing nti all call the right thing na mo ba appreciate no de say de na na wo ye no manage ho
anya no ne ye ka
nti na me man ka be sie na wo ya de nso e de club do ba na chi nso a on betimi na kasa ye normal football Watara so mu bibia eno so be bo asofo ko no so de be ba o bibi na se ono so emo asofo ko no so be ka eno na ebusa mu no banifo am ya te ase se e bibia na ase eniama e koso abonten ena o mususu se eniama mra fom kakra se de be ya team no niama achese na aka no ya me ya adwene ko ma achese no
ko abonten ko kasa
abi mo wankasa o ma woni no mo woni no so mo woni no mo woni
na nya wa na wotia na wo se ko fa
enya warning tie me se enya warning
na e dey
eye nkita hudie advice nkita hudie
o tu ne fo
nkita hudie ye ni nkita ho mfa Abass fo ye da we
atare de o sheri ko
what you say Then
asem de wo sheri
ko kita hudie asem
ko pani we ko ti o she na Mr. Yebo ana asem Mr. Osu
Osu die ni bia
de apa che mi no
apa che mi no enya ma commission for die ni bia de so no it is sanity
say am mi ti o
I think that Abass not too far from right. You know, organization beyond we try to protect the brand, no. And say you know you to say Mokara Mota can say and never be a coach to say Morino, Abia, which losing a job, any sound of comment, Abia, club no expect it, Abia na why or the Bufuaka. Na amempani for Abia called Macro ye. Not for Abufa Banam for I said in empathy ways. So as I get to a point sir the Biana has to focus in the media, it's in the public, and I'm for a ridiculous team. No, they want to get rid of that because Mufi said, baby, I'm more headed to know. I didn't know how the shape of my idea would train now. Why are they doing this? I don't want project mobile. These are the positive ones that they want to project. Say the Bay say a potential sponsor be to make us all. But they come back or team in. So it goes to Obia has to focus on Yajuma, including the coach. And the recent interview, no Mufi says it was on the high. Coach Ntono was on the high. So let's speak to him. Let's advise him. Say, coach, but there's a level I with my could do. So it is getting a bit out of hand. You know, let's control it. In real time, I want it. But since they started from this, say if you continue to do that, that's where a bit harsh. But really, a friendly advice or caution, and I'm coaching to G2 say yes. If you say or a bit high, and you know, I don't think me kind of say a warning, sir. Say maybe I want to put it, but all the same, in a way to tone down our speeches. Sometimes we cannot just get up and go to the media no okasa. You see the point? And same way I said the PR department if no more no say it's good. And Sana be out. And House of Folk was not doing those things. And they might be brave, and they want to protect our brand, no. And for that, competition between Omuni coach, you know, and it has been accepted very well, and now move on. So, any problem? I don't think it's a problem. Because the House of Folk coach in Ukraine, any problem? It's not a problem. So they are good. But the Kaka said, House of Folk board member or even Togo Kraka say they want to work with Coach Ouattara for a long time because they feel that the experience that he brings on board. Senema Etotoa, a bit more, and they feel the coach Somanian recently, especially under Togo. Togo Namuaka said, Coach Ouattara is the most experienced of all the coaches that or non buyer or take charge of House of Folk or no I employ them. So if that's the case, you want to work with them for work with him for a long time. And even when a Becca has you lose games, no, you hardly see House of Folk supporter or management member or so make you word on. They still have the hopes to be
okay.
And you know, on person will call that.
I think because of time. Zach, we might number for some
Jibo,
Zach,
if Ouattara no Creso ko interview na bra one bo bia mane ate.
So je bi say Ouattara ye interview say o Mass TV on Ampofankra. I'm sure say a club no. And the man kwame na kwesa unlike the omo complaints and nyom na man kwan no. Just you yeah say for your contribution.
So yeah na say entwa yi no munni awa na entwa yi. Say Ouattara as work at TP Mazambe. Maybe of free work we can't do that at that place. Into know why so bahas na obeda side subainedi e was of where we nyama ope cancel my ope. And again it's about time has must control and be worried of the things that he see push smart after games because Ouattara have taken advantage as all the mandatory into all the come them baby or because in summer papa no can push match one. Listen, team be no way serious. He can't do that at work. How can work coach? Never watch be now to times away now can someone who you can't do that. Those places, you know. Okay. Champions League men on boy Dortmund team men on mu from PSG. Only PSG match no. Semi-final match no. First leg, no first leg you know. And for no Sky for no Caragamo Okofa
Luis Enrique
Jenny Sancho Emma ni omu Enrique de muna eden kwa na em se no muni play bia ni kwa so muni din komo and Emma Enrique bufuye Jenny Sancho dey like this no on sa na eni kwa say like on card gas na Dortmund mo din komo I say no mu gina Sancho e twem no and no nim no Jadin then omoni kasa they were very angry for putting out that behavior na put up no nti ona Enrique den makai come on omoni Sancho din komo no na Karaga no a flag bi won komo na Dortmund colors and also no mon kasa but Sancho den no o twem Karaga use because he knows him as an English boy Jadin don't for no because on that day players na comedy komo akasama Dortmund no Sancho wasn't part of that you know and I think say Ouattara House of Folk omuni do komo say ejuma na office onye ejuma na onja ronko we shouldn't encourage that insubordination from Ouattara ejuma no jibo office onja ronko
Zach me da
say man dia
bem ka kare
interview ko kaka no pe tambia
Jibo mpacho metimi ade hasi de that one ma kan bibi kakra
Assemble
on Ashanti Gold.
Okay.
So man permission me da say obeka ya nopa and now we start say we address Ash Gold with regards to the new ownership no any prospector award ma oboasenia dance mine any politically so what it does for whoever is taking over, especially in the political ambitions. Don't say I say obeko independent.
Yeah.
Say no man ya dey. You make Makacho say that comment you made interests a lot of people, and in fact one of them has even asked me for the audio because almost say we touch on something that is very very important and I say very key to.
So that's good there. That's good too. No, your boss any football there.
Yeah.
untimi underrate football
yes
nipa di edomo edi football echi no nti ohwe most of our politicians kanen pa no do be bonzo be president no
so launching one better football
the current state of as good team ni emfa say ni ho because omo de omo court by FA mu de omo yi as good the few menim the last time I offer Obuasi
me ko ho ache especially as good enclave ni mu no
be 3 weeks ago na me kwa I am free
yes
nti me do Obuasi me wura mu kakra ko hwe obi wo ho na ye league week say that week na is it Kotoko against nations and I say bibia no send the check kakra recent match bi Kotoko boy na ba for uru akrum ha Obuasi
yi but on a Sunday like that
power as go no match kra wo Obuasi
yeah
and omo bo aware people will be listening to commentary
yeah omo so mo follow omo team no
me koya kodu me ko share nipa na otutuka and unhu bibia
Obuasi become a
it is a bit na emfa one what he wants to get
yes
say
me pese me sign the
revival
Obuasi
true as good football club e mo Obuasi be ye Obuasi na
yeah
na our political ambition
one
ne compete adin
waso be shi
obey word but no kasa one party adin
no kasa se see two parliamentary candidates no o ma sheki because who say omo ye mistake tena ho na omo amu abra na as go do cultural crisis na kase ka omo yi omo nim ebe boa no enti omo bebre feel say for instance obi say honorable Kwaku Kwati say you've been in government, you've been a deputy minister, you've done all this one yet, and now you'll be in it is over nothing about Obuasi Sporting Club. Clearly, I just say a political entity, or shift to say, almost a papa or papa. Now, I tell you what, and now the promo for each stadium. Omako CC Honomo. Now, Omo invited all the Division 2, all the Division 3 clubs, and they say Sunday, Omo yes screening, I pick players, and they are for me the base of the new as good numbers Omo yeno. And Ama. Me no kasa ene right now ye wo hosisi omo for stadium omo toto no ma nyina so when you say I have my guys there of course me if I want to
the okrom
enti omo ye adwuma and they are trying to make sure say on be set up in such a way that by the time omo be we FA arrangement na omo ye no as gold will be ready and then say division 2 say division 3 say premier say division 1 the as go be bia they will be ready to compete and the man I'm told say also you ready say also na ho odin kakra wo no also de be hyemu e de push team no ama team na san pagya ama ni gie na abo Obuasi na dance man no asan ba
for me that say obed ana o de be mo
me share soro no aka nine you the most was up time of paper so there
you be nine bia me ne ba for
be agum ne ko do mo fa ne 22
okay team so more economics ne kaka say dey na wo ye na ya family sports nim Abass so dey na wo ye ne tem na me ne ba for ye ha bo afo ne nsori
wo say na say
oleke di ne oleke
nze Kenyasi. Ono ne papa no number 2.
Yeah. Kenyasi hene.
And Kenyasi number 1. And also nana ni dini nana na kind dini ma bu.
Ma ko samra na.
Me kind dini ti ono oye division 2 o. Enti wa ne say oyam wa elegezo alenke me say nyame adoma. Kenyasi number 1.
Okoye kwan.
Kenyasi number 1.
Okoye kwan.
Ye ko boama division 2 no.
The team.
Okay. A team.
Ebe ho anu oja has.
Da we team nyai. Azemi team nyai. Ye boa o mama team no atimi afu.
Tufa kakra so so e.
Nti nyame aduma Sunday so so match no so so ebe ba so.
Kotoko titani kese pa e fe no tumfo nana edin abebe na de fe no ene ye na woda. Nti otumfo nana you so happy birthday. Kanena oye radio presenter no ye sports. Nem say so akowura police so say dey o. Ese wasata ne singer bohuna na wogina baby no otonyom ene na woda happy birthday twum kakra bi
nyame nchira no nyame man nkwatete
Kotoko support bi se men kan kire se unue ya de na efa no abona baso na wo so adi na chi
onye Kotoko supporter ade we
ene squatting
striker on hwe ni ye konko Facebook no ko hwe ni ye
ka
container o ma boy ya chipa ene squatting dia boy ya chi
ko na
ko mo we abaso
tamaso
dia me kan se nyame aduma Saturday
e dia sem kurani
ye ko brekum
okay
ntimesire Kotoko
e ya ti akodu etu
ya me dia chi